How to replace gas can tops. To run your lawnmower and other landscape equipment, you need gasoline. Gas cans enable you to keep a gallon or two of gas for a couple of weeks to use in your equipment, or even in case you run out of gas on the road. But if you lose or misplace the lid, replace it as quickly as possible. A gas can without the top is unusable, not only because of the possibility for a dangerous spillage but also because of harmful fumes escaping. Things you'll need: ruler, rubber band, heavy-duty aluminum foil, manufactured replacement. Measure the diameter of the opening of the gas can if you do not know what it is or if it is not printed on the side of the gas can. Go to a home improvement store, which have the largest selection of different gas can tops. Purchase the top in the same material as the can, for example, metal top for metal can, plastic top for plastic can, etc. If you are looking to save some money and have an Army surplus store or PX store nearby, you can usually buy a used gas can top for less than a new top. Decide on the length of the gas can top spout, which is frequently included with the tops. The spout length makes it easier to pour the gas into devices. However, long spouts are more expensive, and some may not couple properly with the cap and or opening to provide a tight seal when pouring. DIY temporary replacement. Using heavy-duty aluminum foil thicker and stronger than the standard kind you use for food, though you find it in the same location of a store, tear off a piece of the foil large enough to cover the gas can opening and overlap by 1 inch. Wrap the heavy-duty aluminum foil around the top of the gas can. Wrap a rubber band at least twice around the foil-covered opening of the can, securing the foil tightly in place. The combination of the rubber band and the heavy-duty aluminum foil will prevent most of the gas vapors from leaking into the air. This lid can also help prevent gas from sloshing out while the can is being transported, and it can slow spills though not stop them altogether if the can is overturned. Although the heavy-duty foil doesn't rip as easily as the thinner kind, it can still be punctured with knives and other sharp objects. For these reasons, consider it a temporary fix until you can buy a suitable replacement cap.